guest on our show today is an amazing woman who is so inspiring. She is none other than Anul Mundra. She is the owner and founder of one of the largest growing communities here in the UAE, Indian expats in Dubai. But let me not give it all away. Let's get into it and not waste any more time. Hi Anul, how are you? Thank you so much for your time and for coming on to Business Conversations with Shubhika. We are thrilled to have you here today.
Hi Shubhika, I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing fine. Thank you so much for your time. I know that you've been keeping very busy, but you've made the time to be here today.
Thank you so much, Shubhika, and it's a pleasure, joining in your show today.
Thank you. So, Anul, can you tell us a little bit about yourself and your background?
So I am Anul. I am the founder and owner of Indian Expats in Dubai. I have been an engineer by degree, and I was a banker by profession. That's a bit about me, and I have a lovely, beautiful family staying in Dubai. So yeah.
Lovely. And where did you get your inspiration from? Because I know that you have taken to engineering and then you were a successful banker. And today you're creating a stir wherever you go with Indian expats in Dubai. So, what inspired you?
Oh wow, what a question, firstly. But I think that after every couple of few years, I feel that I can do something more, better, bigger. I kind of explore different opportunities, and being an engineer myself, I did start off my career with Accenture and other MNC companies, and I have a lot of immense years of experience in terms of corporate background. But there was always this need of, what am I bringing into the society? What am I doing for the society?
Right.
And so I was like, why I don't use my, expertise into helping something with the society?
Yeah. That is wonderful. We need to work with more women like you.
Thank you.
I think women are blessed with innate ability to jump careers and create success wherever they go, and most of people like you that impact other people's lives.
Wow, so thank you.
We really look up to you, and we're so glad we're doing this. Tell us about Indian expats in Dubai.
So Indian Expats in Dubai is a platform for all the Indians residing in Dubai and other Emirates of United Arab Emirates.
Right.
And we are mainly a Facebook platform, also an Instagram, also on WhatsApp and Telegram. So this is basically a social media management platform, I would say.
Okay.
So we are trying to help support businesses through advertising and marketing. And then obviously when all of us are together, same community, event management becomes a very important element to it in order to bring the community together. So that's what Indian Expats in Dubai is doing at the moment. Yeah.
Lovely. And you set up this only in the year 2020, if I'm not wrong?
Yeah, so it's just 16 months and we are where we are. And I'm very, very thankful to all the members also who gave us so much of love and support in order to reach where we are today. So, yeah.
Correct. And your dedication and your vision, I think, it takes a good leader to guide people and to bring about your company and your business to where it is in the time frame that you've, started IED. So,
thank you very much.
Absolutely wonderful. So how do business women or businessmen and women, right? This is not just a woman-focused community. So how do businesses benefit from being a part of IED?
So like I said, so we do support businesses through advertising and marketing onto the platforms and the databases that we hold today in all of these social media.
Right.
So we are reiterating this. So there are a lot of creative ways of supporting them, encouraging them, and then creating the right amount of awareness for these businesses. So that's what we are doing today. We are doing flashing postings, or be it Facebook Lives, or be it any amount of awareness. Obviously, every business is different and every product is different.
Yes.
So we need to derive things accordingly. But the idea is to support them as much as I can. Yeah.
Wonderful. And there's so many businesses here in Dubai.
Yes, of course, unlimited.
Unlimited businesses. It's a place of opportunity and growth, and it's really lovely to see that businesses have this kind of support and a voice to their business.
Thank you.
Partnering with you.
Thank you.
So Anul, what are the ways in which a business can register with you and become a part of IED?
So basically, first and foremost, you have to be an Indian in order
Right.
to, be a part of us. And then there are certain process in place whereby we do check your license, or we do check how big, small, or medium level of business that is.
Right.
And then we need to. It's like a proper study which we do with all the
Okay.
businesses, whereby we understand the requirements, what you're looking for, where you're lacking, and how we can support you.
Lovely. So you do really get involved.
Yes, personally.
Personally get involved.
Yeah.
So Anil, how has the pandemic been for IED, and has it helped the community evolve?
Well, though we have all been struggling with the phase that we were in, and we are
Right.
still in. However, I think community has benefited out of it, because there were people who had a lot of time, and
Right.
they were more available online. And I think that kind of brought the awareness for us.
Okay.
That Indian expats in Dubai is right here and what they're doing, and that kind of worked in our favor. So yes, the pandemic did help in evolving the community of Indian expats in Dubai.
Yes, I've seen the growth and I've seen the numbers, and it's amazing. And I think you're growing every day.
Yeah.
And you're creating wonderful opportunities for businesses every day. So great work.
Thank you, Shubhika.
So Anil, do tell us about this last event that took place, which is very exciting, the Grand Mela, I think?
Yes, it was IED Mela exhibition, and it happened on 8th of May at Grand Excelsior Bar Dubai. Because of the COVID, most of the people weren't moving out, and we were doing very, very small events depending on government regulations and stuff like that. So this was one event which was big in that way, and we had all the approvals in place, and then we put in a lot of heart and soul into bringing an event together. We had 51 plus exhibitors, we had media channel partners, so it was great fun, and that's the kind of feedback we got, and we were very happy, and I take a lot of pride in saying that it went very successfully. So there's a lot of satisfaction that IED Mela went in the right way. Yeah.
So Anil, which is the next big event?
So, well, now that the rules have opened up, we just want to do one big event every month.
Okay.
And the next coming up is IED Fashion Fiesta.
Right.
So it is all about fashion show and exhibition, and just people can just walk in. Anyone related to fashion, most welcome to join in the event. So we're looking out for models, exhibitors, sponsors. So just I'm a call away, a message away, in case there's anyone who would want to be a part of it.
Wonderful. I'm sure a lot of people in our audience would be interested in attending it.
Great.
And I'm sure there'll be people wanting to be a part of it as well.
Thank you. And if I may add, it's a free entry event.
Okay.
And you just have to be vaccinated, and there is no other reason for you to not attend the event at IED Fashion Fiesta. Yeah.
Amazing. We'll keep that in mind. We're blocking our calendars for you.
Thank you so much.
So how many members do you already have at IED?
So, so there are different databases that I referred to, and we have 36,000 plus people on Facebook, 16,000 plus followers on Instagram, 7,000 on WhatsApp, and 2,000 on Telegram. And I understand there will be duplications within that also, so I always try to code the database as 36,000 people.
Wonderful.
At IED within the span of 16 months.
36,000 and growing.
Yes, and growing every single day.
Every single day.
Yeah.
So it's truly, I say this again, it's truly commendable, and it has a lot to do with your leadership skills and where you envision IED.
Thank you so much.
It's not everybody's cup of tea in a place like Dubai, where there are so many communities that already exist. To stand out and create a legacy of your own is truly commendable.
Thank you so much, Shubhika.
So, Anu, tell us a little about your team.
So, well, you're nothing without your team, basically.
Right.
So, I give a lot of credit to amazing team members that I have on board.
Right.
We are a very small team. So, I have 3 wonderful leaders working for IED.
Yes.
I would like to name them as well: Sakshi Singh, Rachna Kapoor, and Gitika Upal.
Lovely.
So, these are 3 lovely people, and they have different areas distributed among themselves, and we are like a true example of the teamwork. So, I have seen them, each one of them, putting so much of their heart and soul into bringing in what you all see out there today.
Yes.
So, big thank you to all of them.
Yes, it's evident. It's always, teamwork that brings about any successful company, or even, the company image. So for everybody watching, they see me in front of the camera, but it takes immense hard work behind the camera, and I am also nothing without my team. So that's why we wanted to focus on this question and give everybody, the highlight and the focus that they deserve.
True, very true.
Right.
Yeah.
I have seen through your social media that you're meeting people of prominence and you're networking with amazing businesses in Dubai. So could you tell us a little bit about your tie-ups?
Yeah, basically, I would want to, bifurcate this question into three parts.
Right.
So, what we are doing currently today, one is digital marketing.
Okay.
The other part of it is event management, where we help the businesses with their networking and branding and marketing around the entire event.
Okay.
That's also a part of supporting the businesses.
Right.
And the third one, whereby we are in a very good space right now, where we are able to help them feature themselves not only within IED but outside as well.
Correct.
So when we talk about the tie-ups, then it could be getting yourself featured with Big FM or Zee TV or Sony TV. I mean, there are multiple options that we have in the panel. Wonderful. And we feel like whichever, if you are interested in within ID, outside ID, we could be your one-stop shop for all your business requirements.
That is wonderful, and that's what businesses need now. They need the exposure. And that's why I set up BCWS as well, because businesses need a voice to their business.
True.
And what you're doing is absolutely fantastic, because that puts them at the right space.
Thank you, Shobhika. And your initiative is super amazing as well. So, yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. You giving us the opportunity of talking about the business conversation and the entire initiative is very beautiful in its own way.
Thank you so much. Being appreciated by the people who come onto our show is our reward at the end of the day.
You deserve it by all means.
So, Anul, you have won so many awards, and we were very keen to find out about your achievements and your experience winning these awards.
Thank you for asking that. It feels a lot of satisfaction and, a very happy feeling that, you do something is one thing and then you get acknowledged for it is another level as well. So, yeah, so I do have a couple of acknowledgements that have received in terms of, I have been awarded at GMBF, which is a Global Maharashtra Business Forum. I have been interviewed by Big FM. I have been interviewed by various channels like Dubai Fashion Magazine, etc. And then I do want to talk about an amazing experience that I had with Mrs. UAE International. So I was one of the jury members there. So it was an amazing and a very unique experience. I totally cherish it, and I will always cherish it, I think. So yeah, all of this together and a little bit more, I think it has been a fantastic journey so far. And thank you to all those people who felt that, I was deserving enough, and it gives, I think I feel very motivated with all of this, and I then want to do a lot more and bring on more to the table. Yeah, so it's quite exciting to know this. Thank you.
You are a woman of substance, and you're creating an inspiration wherever you go for women like you that want to leave a legacy behind and want to create something of their own. So it has been nothing but delightful to have you here, to host you on our show, and to have you at Business Conversations with Shobhika. Thank you so much for your time, and
thank you for having me, Shobhika. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Thank you.
Signing off from the sets of Business Conversation with Shobhika, you heard Anul Mundra, who is the owner and founder of one of the largest communities here in Dubai. So just like that, every other week, we're going to present to you a business owner for the various business opportunities that are there for you in Dubai. Don't forget to like, to subscribe, and follow us on all our social media handles. Until next time, take care.